Okay, today I want to present my assignment video for subject HRM 243. Okay. First, summary of safety and health at work. A safety and health and management system means the part of the organization management system which covers the health and safety work organization and policy in a company, the planning process for accident and ill health prevention, the line management responsible, and the practice, procedure and resource for developing and implementing, reviewing and maintaining the occupational safety and health policy. Okay. The system should cover the entire gambit of an employer occupational health and safety organization. The key element of a successful safety and health management system are: 1. Effective safety and health policies should set a clear direction for the organization to follow. They will contribute to all aspects of business performance as part of a demonstrable commitment to continuous improvement. Responsibilities to people and the working environment will be met in a way that fulfills the spirit and letters of the law. System number 2. Planning. The workplace should formulate a plan to fulfill its safety and health policy as set out in the safety statement. An effective management structure and arrangement should be put in place for delivering the policy. Safety and health objective and target should be set for all manager and employer. Okay, the system number 3, implementation and operation. For effective implementation, organization should develop the capabilities and support merchandise necessary to achieve the safety and health policy objective and targets. All staff should be motivated and improved to work safety and to protect their long-term health. No simply to avoid incident. The arrangement should be underpinned by effective staff involvement and participation should appropriate consultation the urge of the safety commitment where it exists and the safety representation system sustained by effective communication and the promotion of competence, which allow all employer and the representative to make a responsible and informed contribution to the safety and health effort. Okay. The system number 4, measuring performance. The organization should measure, monitor and evaluate safety and health performance Performance can be measured against angry standard to reveal when and where improvement is needed. Active monitoring reveal how effective the safety and health management system is functioning. If control fail, reactive monitoring should find out why they fail. By investigating the accident, ill health or incident which could have caused harm or loss. The objective of active and reactive monitoring are to determine the immediate cause or substandard performance, to identify any underlying cause and implication for the design and operation of the safety and health management system. The system number 5, auditing and reviewing performance. The organization should review and improve its safety and health management system continues so that its overall safety and health performance improve constantly. The organization can learn from relevant experience and apply the lesson. There should be a substantive review of performance based on data from monitoring and from independent audit of the whole safety and health management system. There should be a strong commitment to continuous improvement involving the development of policies, system and technique of risk control. Performance should be assessed by internal reference to key performance indicator and external comparison with the performance of business competitor and best practice in the organization employment sector. History of Company Royal Dutch Shell in Malaysia. The first oil well discovered by Shell at the time produced 83 barrels of oil a day and reached a maximum production of 15,000 barrels. Now the oil well known as the Grand Old Lady is a historical monument that can be visited in Canada, Hill Miri, Sarawak. Oil and gas activities grew rapidly in the 1960 series, with many discovering and development of offshore fields. The late 1960 series saw the beginning of oil exploration on the east coast of Peninsula Malaysia. At the time, foreign companies, including Shell and Esso, were the dominant companies in the country oil and gas activities. There are also several other overseas companies such as Conoco, Mobil, Akutainik, Oceanic, and Teseki. The National Oil Company's Petronas was later established in 1974. These companies are great petroleum concession to carry out exploration and production of petroleum product by the government on the condition that they have to pay tax and royalties. However, in 1994, 1934-74 with the passage of the Petroleum Development Act, which gave ownership and power to control petroleum resource to Petronas. The concession granted to these companies were subsequently revoked. Safety and health at work of Company Royal Dutch Shell. First, personal safety. Our people often work in demanding roles and extreme conditions. They may have many different hazards to manage, whether in offshore location, construction, work in remote location, or the transport of people, equipment, and products. Whatever they do, they always ensure that they can operate safely before they start work. We expect people to take personal responsibility in 3 areas. 1. To comply with the safety rules and regulations relevant to their works. Number 2. To intervene to prevent unsafe conditions. And number 3. To respect fellow workers and the communication in which we work. Number 2. Process safety. Process safety involves making sure our facilities are well designed, safety operation and properly maintained to prevent leaks of hazard material. We a structured process to manage our asset integrity and prevent leaks, spill and other technical fail or breakdowns. Process safety starts at the early design phase of building facilities and continues throughout their life cycle, making sure they are operated safely, well maintained and inspected regularly to identify and deal with any potential process safety hazard. Number 3. Transport safety. Safety is a key concept for our roads, marine and aviation activities. This can include moving people, delivering product or transporting goods and equipment to and within to areas where we operate. Risks vary depending on the local environment and the type of transport we use. The developed best practice standard with Shell and work with specialist contracts, industry bodies, non-governmental organizations, and government. The transport is intrinsic to our business activities. Other projects use bus to transport work and marine vessel and train to transport equipment, which reduce exposure on the roads. Marine safety. Shell is one of the world's largest charter of ships, with over 1,500 vessels associated with the business that transit to the world, ocean and river each other. We have a company-wide ship quality assurance standard that is aimed at reducing safety incident, accident or oil spills from bulk transport ship. In 2012, Shell created its Marine Partner in Safety program. This network of the 500 maritime partners with whom share those business focus on raising safety standards. Our partners include ship owners, suppliers, boat operator, character, and a range of others. Since its inspection, this program has led to better safety, leadership, and behavior, and has reduced the number of serious or volunteer incidents 4.0 Life-saving rule of company Royal Dutch Shell. Rule number 1. Work with a valid work permit when required. Rule number 2. Conduct gas tests when required. Rule number 3. Verify installation before works begins and use the specified the protection equipment. Rule number 4. Obtain authorization before entering to conflict space. Rule number 5. Obtain authorization before overriding or disabling safety critical equipment. Rule number 6. Protect yourself against a fall when working at height. Rule number 7. Do not work under a suspended load. Rule number 8. Do not smoke outside decide not smoking areas. Rule number 9. No alcohol or drug while working or driving. Rule number 10. While driving, do not use your phone and do not exceed speed limits. Rule number 11. Wear your seat belt. Rule number 12. Follow principal journey management plan 5.0. Conclusion. In conclusion, safety and health procedure system initiative for responsible energy delivery. Shell aim not to harm people and not to experience leaks throughout our operation. Shell call this the zero goal application, and they expect everyone who work for Shell to only start work when all safety measures are necessary and to intervene when something seems unsafe or system change. Shell investigate the incident and aim to learn from it, sharing findings to improve safety performance across our organization and industry. Companies Royal Dutch Shell have all Shell employer and contractor to comply with our safety standard and requirement. Include our contractor to comply with our safety standard and requirement. Include our mandatory life-saving rules. We discuss dilemmas, share ideas, and learn together how rules and procedures apply in context of our works. In response to the COVID-19 pandemic, we took additional steps to make workplace safe for staff and contractors. For example, supporting our business partners to set up extra accommodation for frontline contractors to allow to greater social distancing. Okay, that's all for my presentation for HRM subject. Thank you.